How to make backup for craft database files, etc. Let me create in our temporary folder, new folder. I will call it craft backup. We need to keep in the backup following folders and files. DSSAT for 7, some files here, but for now I will take entire copy of DSSAT for 7 folder, because some information related soil, data, genotype coefficients, etc. are in this folder. So it's always good to have copy of this folder, DSSAT for 7. Some files will be in CCAFS toolkit folder as well. So right now I will take entire copy of this folder, CCAFS toolkit. Program file 86. There is a craft folder, craft toolbox. And here is the shape input folder that will contain our new created shape files. So it's better to have this copy as well. Now, in order to make the database copy, I need to stop MySQL service. So I will print here. I need to go Windows Services. This is the Windows Services. When you print in search taskbar, there is a field for searching. You need to print service, and you can come to this window. And here is the MySQL service. See, MySQL service that runs auto installation database. Right-click on that, stop that service. I stopped the service because I want to copy some database files from program data folder. On C, there is a program data folder. It's hidden folder, hidden program data. MySQL folder. And as we have done it today, from this data folder, I need to take CCAFS DB and IB data 1, 2 objects. Both contains data you entered related to weather, soils, etc. Quite many, quite large database. Two more minutes and copy will be done. Okay, again, CCAFS toolkit folder in C. DSSAT for server folder, shape input folder for program file 86. IB data 1 and CCAFS dbit folder. That's all for backup. Let me finish this quickly. One more minutes. Remember that before copying those files, I stopped my SQL service. So backup is done. Everything I took already here. There might be some additional I show later as well. It can be edited here, but right now that's fine. After backup is done, you can start MySQL service again. It run. That's all to backup. Now how to uninstall. As usual, you are uninstalling programs. This is the control panel. Programs and feature. I will uninstall map in GIS component. Right click, uninstall. This is the map in GIS. Remember we installed it? Next one, DSSAT for 7. Installation is in progress in the second window.
Hello. Please,
Yeah,
please,
yeah, let me finish what I'm doing quickly and then.
okay.
Zoom is working behind and it's a little slow down my laptop. Seems it's converting the recording or doing something.
Oh, okay.
I'm not finished this one, but you know need to remove. You need also to remove the craft installation tool and craft toolbox. Both of them up here. Next, you need to uninstall installer, MySQL installer. Starting. And then MySQL server, this one. MySQL server. Server installation is in progress. Close to finish. Okay, and finally, it's still working on installation. Finally, you need to delete manually from program data folder MySQL folder. Delete this one manually, because after uninstallation, still some files are staying. So you need to delete this one. Okay. Let me stop sharing here. Let me stop